Good evening. I am the Phantom. Today, we're going to be interviewing. First, let's bring up Ninja Kitty.
Hi!
Hello, Ninja Kitty. So, what are your thoughts about everyone here?
I hate most of them.
Why you say that?
Because I hate a lot of people.
Why do you hate a lot of people?
Because I feel like it.
So, what you saying you can hate me?
Yeah!
Really?
Yeah!
Really?
Yeah! Kiss!
And that concludes this meeting. Go away.
I like kitties.
I said go away.
No!
Now.
Bye!
Next up, we're going to be bringing one of my Facebook friends, Coco. Come up. Brad. Alright, we're going to skip over that for right now. Let's bring in Dark Sonic.
Yeah!
Hello, Dark Sonic.
I have cheese!
Where'd you get the cheese?
I got it from my model!
I'm sorry, where'd you get it?
I said I got it from my ass!
Dark Sonic, just run away right now before I break your legs. Alright, let's bring in the firecracker.
Batman!
Hello, firecracker.
Batman!
So what are your thoughts on everyone?
Batman!
Do you like Batman?
Batman!
I guess so. Are you a retard?
Batman!
His laughter says yes.
Batman!
You cannot kill Phantom.
Batman!
Goodbye, Phantom.
Batman!
I messed up. Alright, Coco's back. Let's bring her in. Come here, Coco.
Hi, I'm Coco.
Hello, Coco. How you been doing? Do you like this block? You like the people? Do you know anything?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure Nikki's
I don't know.
Are you sure?
I don't know.